Hello fellow YouTubers. Well, here's a project that I'll be working on next. It's a Chrysler V6 3-liter engine. It's been taken apart and not put back together. So this alternator, holy crow, barely turns. And well, we'll see what the timing belt is off, and lots of different parts somewhere's around here that I'll have to figure out where they go and put them back in the right spot, and hopefully we can get this engine running again, because it's from a 1989 Dodge Caravan, and it's a handy little van to have. It holds a lot of stuff, and well, stick with me, and I'll give you updates, and we'll start putting this thing back together and diagnosing it, and step by step. Okay. Thanks again. Keep watching, like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next show, and then we can start putting this back together. Bye for now.